Good day, my name is Rafael Velázquez Núñez. Strategy Management Paseos propose strategies to create value. Growth Night. Our general description. Our recent technology companies use tech application use what need transformation easily team-driven Panther one other services were offered on one more opportunity and growing city with more style, safety and comfort than ever present in more than 310 cities and going to work. How does this work? Cycling, the user moves, online, the application, and auto-registering moves adjoin into find is location town GPS. Team construct shows with being different can model and team clicks on the button type activation the order. Our printing clothes drive from location and send into the customer. Our busing model. The busing model under which the popular and creative the American Travis Kalanick's operating consists on giving drive 18% on every dollar they receive for the car, while the company has 20% in this person is usable companies to have more land. That is to create connection with the people for what to use the product until marketing. Description of the problem user finds. If this company can help for this internet is doing not so into some regulation and the handheld intertransport sector. Identifying and leases and tax. With reality affect intimation, price and wastage on the services caused on the problem or fancy. Unfair competition toward taxi drive for services done in many countries and has not been formally regulated. Team performs and user for to work services as described busing on traditional drive. Causes and consequences on the our problem. There is therefore a substantive legal debate and to work team company providing its service according to a collaborative economy model. They cause their variant drives and work days no commercial. Contrast with collaboration agreeing design it is and transport companies. We shall be subject to the land transport than in it is land. Require taxi companies with assign administrative authorization and provide for a service on sanction because of no complex. Where expanded rently revives land use and protest from affected sector everywhere for unified competition. In many European countries it was suspended the judicial or governmental decision in some cases. It continues to operate illegally through the technical employees and judicial remedies. Cases of child and fiscal violence with the tax strikes in other drives and person and being reported everywhere. References. Thank you. Good day.